Crash Course on Greece. Historical Landmarks and Architecture. Welcome to a crash course on Greece, a land rich in history and architectural marvels that have shaped civilizations and inspired generations. Let's delve into the intriguing stories behind these landmarks, explore the top 12 attractions, and marvel at Greece's historical grandeur. Greece, often referred to as the cradle of Western civilization, is renowned for its historical significance and architectural wonders. From ancient ruins to Byzantine churches and neoclassical buildings, Greece's architectural heritage reflects its diverse cultural influences. One captivating story is that of the Acropolis in Athens, crowned by the majestic Parthenon. Built in the 5th century BCE, this iconic temple stands as a testament to the glory of ancient Greece. Its intricate Doric columns and exquisite sculptures continue to inspire awe and admiration. The story of the Palace of Knossos in Crete is equally fascinating. This ancient Minoan palace, dating back to around 2000 BCE, is said to be the legendary labyrinth of King Minos and the birthplace of the mythological figure, the Minotaur. Exploring its labyrinthine corridors and vibrant frescoes is like stepping back in time. Now, let's embark on a journey to the top 12 historical landmarks and architectural treasures of Greece. 1. Acropolis of Athens. Marvel at the Parthenon, Erechtheion, and other ancient structures perched atop the Acropolis, overlooking the city of Athens. 2. Delphi. Visit the archaeological site of Delphi, once considered the center of the world, and discover the temple of Apollo and the renowned oracle. 3. Palace of Knossos. Step into the Minoan civilization at the Palace of Knossos, where legends and history intertwine. 4. Ancient Theater of Epidaurus. Experience the exceptional acoustics of this well-preserved theater, which still hosts performances to this day. 5. Temple of Poseidon at Sunio. Witness the sunset at this majestic temple perched on a cliff, dedicated to the Greek god of the sea. 6. Mycenae. Explore the ruins of this ancient city, home to the legendary King Agamemnon and the magnificent Lion Gate. 7. Ancient Olympia. Discover the birthplace of the Olympic Games and explore the ancient stadium, temples, and the renowned Zeus Temple. 8. Meteora Monasteries. Marvel at the gravity-defying monasteries perched atop towering rock formations, offering a spiritual and architectural marvel. 9. Palace of the Grand Master in Rhodes. Step into the medieval era at this grand palace, a testament to the Knights of St. John's presence in Rhodes. 10. Ancient Corinth. Explore the ruins of this once prosperous city, including the Temple of Apollo and the famous Corinth Canal. 11. Mystras. Wander through the Byzantine ruins of Mystras, a ghost town frozen in time, showcasing stunning churches and palaces. 12. Delos. Visit the sacred island of Delos, an open-air museum that was once a thriving center of commerce and religion in ancient Greece. These attractions represent a fraction of the historical landmarks and architectural wonders that Greece has to offer. Each site tells a story of ancient civilizations, mythical legends, and cultural heritage. In summary, Greece's historical landmarks and architectural treasures are a testament to the country's rich heritage and profound influence on the world. From the iconic Acropolis to the ancient ruins of Delphi and the monasteries of Meteora, Greece's historical grandeur captivates visitors from all corners of the globe. Now, let's conclude with a poem that celebrates the historical landmarks and architecture of Greece. In Greece, where ancient stories breathe, architectural wonders weave. The Acropolis, Parthenon's pride. Over Athens, it presides. Knossos Palace, a labyrinth of lore, with Minotaur and legends galore. Delphi's oracle, wise and grand, guiding seekers from every land. Epidaurus Theater, acoustics divine, echoing tales through the sands of time. Poseidon's temple at Sunio's peak, sunsets embrace, eternity they seek. Mycenae's Lion Gate, a fierce display, guarding treasures of a bygone day. Olympia's Stadium, where heroes compete. Zeus Temple, a mighty feat, Meteora monasteries, soaring high. Mystical beauty against the sky. Rhodes Grand Palace, knight's abode. Medieval tales in each corroded stone. Ancient Corinth, a city once grand. Corinth Canal, a marvel hand in hand. Mysteries, Byzantine echoes resound. Churches and palaces on sacred ground. Delos, birthplace of gods, so fair. Ancient echoes fill the air. Greece's historical landmarks shine. A testament to a heritage divine. In Greece, history comes alive. Through architecture, stories thrive. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.